Okay, right, Bismillah. Okay, folks, question number 9 in our quick revision session for calculator paper for tomorrow. Question 9 is worth 2 marks. Okay, it's not much marks, but it's a question that I haven't covered much in any of the previous papers that we had. We haven't had this question at all, really. And it's a question that involves frequency polygon. So question 9, context, 30 students took a test. The table shows information about how long it took them to complete the test. So the time we have like a range of values from 0 to 10, lower bound of the and the upper bound of the of our class width. Frequencies, how many people were in those particular time frames. Draw a frequency polygon. Now, when we draw a frequency polygon, unlike a cumulative frequency, we don't plot the endpoints. In a cumulative frequency, we plot the endpoints. Okay. When you work in, so I'm going to observe that. Okay, we don't work out the endpoints, but that's only for cumulative frequency. Now, for this one here, what we're going to be doing, we need to work out the midpoints for frequency polygon. We need to know what the midpoints are. I just like to pop mine in here. So 0 to 10, to work out the midpoint, to work it out, we add these two numbers. 10 at 0 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. That's how you work it out mathematically, if you can't see what the middle number is. So 20 at 10 is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. But for most of us who are doing the examination, we can quite easily say between 20 and 30 is 25. We can say that quite easily. Between 30 and 40, halfway is going to be 35. Okay, between 40 and 50, halfway is going to be 45. So what we're doing here is our midpoints are giving us our x values. Okay, so this might be quite a simple type of question. If we mess up these basic things, we'll get wrong. And the frequency, that will give us our, that corresponds to our y corresponding values, y values. Okay, so this is our x coordinates, and these are our y coordinates. So let's start plotting. So the first one is 5 along the time on the bottom, 5 along the time, and then this is the height, the y, 5 up. So let's have a look. So we go across by 5 and up by 5. Whoa. Okay. Put a dot or a cross. Okay. Next one. Okay, I think we'll stick with the cross today. Okay. Next one's going to be 15 along the x and 7 along the y. So 5, 10, 15, and 7 along the y. That's going to be there. The next one is 25 along the x and 8 along the y. So 20, 25, and then 8 up, which is here. Okay, then we have 35 along the x, the next one, that's the x value, and 6 along the y. So 30, 35, and 6 along the y is going to be here, back down here. Okay, the last one is going to be 45 along the x, and 4 along the y. So 45, and 4 will be here. Okay, now, frequency polygon tends to have this kind of like, this triangular shape. So that's the kind of shape we have frequency polygon, whereas cumulative frequency is like a curve. Okay, so please folks, I mean you have a histogram, we've got nice blocks and stuff. Okay, so this is the kind of graph that we're expecting here now. We need to join them up not with the with nice straight lines. So let's choose the straight line tool. And let's choose a blue. Okay, let's join them up. Just going to go from here. Okay, folks, if I don't get exactly right, please forgive me, folks. But just it's the tools. Okay, right. That should be in the bang in the corner. Okay, I'm just getting used to this new equipment. It does take quite a bit of time. Okay. And then from there. Whoa, that's sorry about that, folks. That one's a bit wrong. Okay, just give me a moment while I just quickly erase that part of the Okay, let's get back to this last part of this. Okay, let's have a look at this next part. Let's quickly finish it off. So it's from this point here. Sorry. Straight line. From here to here. Okay, folks, apologies for the slight dagginess of my graph, but that's it. That will give you 2 marks. Okay, so come on, folks, get it. Get the 2 marks, easy one.